Most of the problems in life are because of two reasons. We act without thinking, or we keep thinking without acting. Nobody has a perfect life. Everybody has their own problems. Some people just know how to deal with it in a perfect way. You are the problem, and only you are the solution. Problems get solved when you stop ignoring them. Stop overthinking. You are only creating problems that are not there. Most of the problems, if you give them enough time and space, will eventually wear themselves on its own. Be patient. None of your problems will remain unsolved. Every problem has a solution. You just have to be creative enough to find it. When you focus on your problems, you get more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you have more opportunities. After every storm, the sun will smile. After every problem, happiness will arrive. Talking about our problems is our greatest addiction. Break the habit and talk about your joy. Running away from any problem only increases the distance from the solution. The easiest way to escape from the problem is to solve it. The problem is not the problem is the incredible amount of overthinking you are doing with the problem. Let it go and be free. I do not fix my problems, I fix my thinking. The problems fix themselves. Solve the problem or leave the problem, but don't live with the problem. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Just breathe. You are strong enough to handle your challenges, wise enough to find solutions to your problems, and capable enough to do whatever needs to be done. Sometimes the easiest way to solve a problem is to stop participating in the problem. Whatever happens, getting depressed is not a solution. Getting depressed would be one more problem. Take the stones people throw at you and use them to build a monument.